Guys, this is the extension of our guide wall for our D-wall, yeah. So up to here, we're going to fix this guide wall in order that our wall is, we can continue to construct, yeah. So our carpenter and mason is working right now to prepare the guide wall. Yeah, they are doing the excavation as per the surveyor given the dimension there, guys. So look at this, our staff is doing the excavation manually to get this exactly the dimension of surveyor given to them, yeah. So this is up to here, yeah. And here is also we'll do also the guide wall to connect both sides, yeah. So from here to there, yeah. So but here is we'll not do the excavation right now. We will connect right after this finish the 600 and 1000. So here the excavation we'll do later, yeah. So here is our shuttering, and up to here is the corner of 600 and then the other side is the 1000 milli corner. So if you can see, guys, here is it up to here right now, the concrete and the guide wall for 600 milli, yeah. So we did yesterday some meters, around 20 meters the length of concrete yesterday of the guide wall. So right now we are removing the shutter, guys. So after this is the last is the corner of 600 milli, and we have to go like this, yeah. From this we do the excavation later, yeah. So guys, so this is our total diaphragm wall for this one, for the phase 2, right? For the phase 2, guys, yeah. So up to here to go there is 1000 milli the corner, guys. Here is I'm going to show you the corner of 1000 milli. This right from here is the corner of 1000 milli. This side there, and if you can see it like this. This is a 1000. Okay, so soon we'll be finished on the guide wall. Right now, our staff is preparing another 20 meters for 1000 milli guide wall, guys. Okay, guys, this is our progress right now for construction of the guide wall, guys.